Insert the tray and tight it with screws. Note that the roller should be on the inside of the bracket. Install the roll film with rod and tight it. Note the smooth side is not printable. Put the matte side upper. Cut off the cable ties. It is used to prevent the carriage from moving. During transportation, turn on the printer. The startup completed if the power button becomes solid blue. This is waste ink tank. It will discharge waste ink during printing and cleaning. Note the small tank plug shouldn't insert, otherwise atmospheric pressure will cause problem for ink supply. Use the funnel to add ink. Pull out 5 ml ink from each dampers. Pull out 10 mm ink from the waistline. Connect the printer with a USB cable. Plug in the white USB and blue USB. Copy the driver and software to your C disk. Click the x64 driver to install it. Click Pro, RIP to install it. Change the scale and language set. The canvas width, 8.26 inches, which is the roll film's width. Select your printer in ProRip. It is called L800. Choose your printer color, configuration profile. Click this button to clean the print head. Click this button to print nozzle check page. No broken lines on the test page means the print head is in good status. Now print an image. Spread adhesive powder on the print. Turn on the power of curing oven. The value above is the temperature in Celsius. The value below is the countdown time. It will show up instead of countdown time if the temperature is still going up. It will show as countdown time once it reaches the setting temperature. Put the print in the side with ink up. Click the timing button to start countdown. It bakes well if it is orange peel-like. Press the item to get a flat surface before transfer the print. Put the print on it and press with the heat press machine. Use a small glass block to cool it down. Peel off the film. Repress to make it stick firmly.